Okay, let's get back with something that's not pretty. This is one area that I find students have a lot of problems. Is equations with fractions. Okay, so it's really simple. Really, really, really simple. So pay attention. If you can add one half and two fifths, right? What do we do? Okay, we find the LCM of 2 and 5, which is what? 10. Okay, what we do with that LCM is you take the LCM and you multiply by each term. Basically, you are dividing by the denominator. 10 divided by 2, multiply the result by 1. So 10 divided by 2, which is 5. 5 times 1, you put 5 over here. 10 divided by 5, which is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. You put it over here. 5 plus 4 is 9 over 10. This is your answer. Okay, so basically, that's what you're doing. You find the LCM, you multiply by each term. But when you multiply by each term, effectively, what you're doing is you take this 10, the LCM, you divide by the denominator, and you multiply by the numerator. So divide, multiply, divide, multiply. Okay. Other way of doing it is you are changing both to the same denominator. And so how do you change this to LCM of 10? This times 5 times 5. This is times 2 times 2. So you end up with 5 over 10 plus 4 over 10. And in fractions, whenever you have the denominators the same, you can basically add the numerators. 5 plus 4, 9 over 10. Okay, so we've simplified it. Now, if you can do this basic fraction, then you can simplify this expression. The only thing is it's got the variable x in it. Do not let that scare you. This is why I'm teaching you about boldness. Be bold, follow the rules. It's a fraction. What do you do with fractions, right? With different denominators, you make them the same. So the LCM is 10. So you can say I'm changing this to 10 by multiplying by 5. If I do that here, then I have to do the same. This is variable x, this is multiplication. Let me do the dot. And then I have to do the same thing here. This is times 2, this is times 2. And then I'll have 5x, 5x over 10 plus 4x over 10. 5x plus 4x is 9x over 10. You're done. This is simplify. There is no equal sign. Okay, so you're not solving for anything. Right? So it basically is the same thing. You find the LCM, okay, and then you make it one term. You see how we have 9x over 10. This is one term. If you have x over 2x plus 2x over 5, so x over 2 and then 2x over 5, this plus here, because of this plus, we have two terms. So basically, you want to put them together by finding what is common to them, which is the LCM. Okay, now if you can do that, okay, if you can, then you should be able to. Now, when I give you this equation, then students start panicking, they give up. That's why I say link it, right? Link this, link what you learn here, the first one, and then the second one, right? Link it, and I tell you what, be bold, follow the rules, persevere, don't quit. So don't let this scare you. What is it again? Combine this part right here. This is 18 over 1. But let me combine this part here, right? We combine it by using LCM, and what do we get? This is what we ended up with, 9x over 10. This is equal to 18 over 1. How do we solve this? Whenever you have one term on the left, one term on the right, what do? You can cross multiply. 9x times 1, 9x times 1 is equal to 10 times 18, right? 9x times 1 is 9x, 10 times 18. And then how do we find our variable? How do you find our variable? By dividing both sides by our what? Coefficient. 9x over 9 is equal to 10 times 18 over 9. That goes away. X equals 9 goes here 1, 9 goes here 2. 10 times 2, 20. Problem solved. Got it? This is so easy. I'll be doing more of these videos. Okay, now, can you do this? Your turn. Can you solve this? Send me your answers. Number 4 and number 5. What is the value of x? What have I taught you? Go back, review the video. Okay. The way to make the best out of this video is you watch it. Okay. You can rewind it. Watch it again. Do it yourself. Make sure you understand it. Don't just move on. Make sure you understand it. Get the answer. Then try the examples. Okay. Send me your answers. All right. Keep on practicing. Practice at least makes improvement. That is if you're practicing the right stuff, and I'm giving you the right exercises. Okay? Keep on practicing, and all things being equal, you shall what? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Leadership Academy. All right. More videos to come. Have a good day.